Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
X, you are under arrest for kidnapping.
Yes, soldier. Come on by Sergeant's surplus hut for all your government surplus needs.
Oh, honey, surplus.
We have two. Major, let's go! You're on!
What? No way! How can you see a shooting star at this hour?
What about thunder?
You know, because thunder always comes after lightning. Kapow!
They'll probably give your crown an extra polish for rescuing me.
Do you think so?
Record holder, Ashani.
Most people call me just
I'm Dusty. I mean, my name.
What are you doing, kid? I think the king should finish his last race.
And then I remembered what they say about old British engines. If there ain't no oil under 'em, there ain't no oil in 'em.
What?
Als jullie naar huis rijden, kijk dan goed uit. Het spooklicht kan... Drop and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man, now I got dirt!
Parts dealer in Paris and treacherous lowlife, but he's the only car in the world who can tell us whose engine this is.
Tornado in the trailer park!
Well then, go! Come on!
And if I were you, I'd quit yapping and start working. Hook 'em up later.
Okie dokie.
Correcto, correcto. Hay que ir recto. Ya hoy suficiente. Y fuera.
Oh, man! Whoever does the voice of that piggy truck, I'm telling you, he's one great actor.
Get the paint job, man. Ramon will paint you up right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flames. Tomica, and... What's your name, son?
Lightning McQueen.
I made that stolen fella a Texas-sized offer. So,
fuel. Fossil, as in dead dinosaurs. And we all know what happened to them. Alternative energy.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad. I will beat it.
Yeah, come on, let's get a picture. You know what? Get a ton of pictures because Champ here has been a role model of mine.